Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we'll be preparing our garden for planting. It's spring of 2022. We had a full moon last night and we'll be planting tomorrow. So I hope you enjoy the video and thanks for watching. Okay, here's what we're planting. We've got some tomatoes here. We've got some spinach. Some spring onions. We've also got some lettuce there and some bok choy. Yep, should be good. Leafy crops like these tend to grow better during the full moon phase. If they're not planted at this time, they'll just seed and they won't grow well at all. The garden's all prepped and ready to go. Planting will be tomorrow and that'll be the second day after the full moon. First we're going to plant our spring onions and bok choy. So let's get planting. I just want to emphasize how important it is to plant on the second day after the full moon. It's because we're working with nature's natural order of things and why we're working in the rain today. So yeah, it's pretty important, otherwise I wouldn't be planting in this rain.
So yeah, Jason can do the tomatoes. I'm soaked actually. I'm actually soaked. Got chili right here, spring onion, spinach, and lettuce.
Yep, so this is our gardening vlog number 1. We'll keep you up to date on its progress and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.